a new package. This is our new package. This is our new gadget. User manual. iSearching. That is the name of the app. By the way, what is this? This is a key finder. Or this is a key finder. Bluetooth. There we're using the manual for the apps iSearching or Kindle. That is the apps we're going to download. Okay, we're going to allow to connect the device for the settings. So this is the unit. There is a plastic. What's this? Can we let us open this? Using the coins to open. Oh, could not. So hard to open. Okay, we're just going to open that counterclockwise. This is now the gadget. And then we have this battery, 30R2032 lithium battery, 3 volts. This is a coin cell battery. So here you just put it back. And then match the dot to the right by twisting. Okay, it's already matching the dot. So it's already open. Turn on, press and hold. We have now this blinking LED. Means it is on. Turn off, press and hold up to 6 seconds. Let us see how to use this. How to use this device. Let us now use our very own smartphone. For the apps, let us download the apps. Using this A32 Samsung mobile phone. To the Play Store and then search iSearching. iSearching apps. So this is the iSearching, this device. iSearching. Find, then LTD, install. So we're installing the apps. Let us wait for the complete download. Installed. Let us now open. And then press the key finder. 3 seconds. Press and hold. You can see the LED is blinking now. So it is on. While using this app, the location, record audio, settings, iTag, select ringtone, okay. This time now we're going to use this key finder Bluetooth to look for our cell phone. So this is now our control, this key finder. First, we need to set up this phone into the Bluetooth, connect the Bluetooth of this iTag. Then double click, to stop, double click. Okay, again double click. Double click to stop. Okay, it has a range of I think 25 meters or less. So this is not a GPS tracker. This is a Bluetooth key finder using Bluetooth technology. This is not using satellite